Okay, so let's solve an integration problem, which is integration of 3x plus 1 square root of dx, right? So the first step is that we would assume a substitution, which is let u equal to 3x plus 1, okay? And then we differentiate this. So du, this is equal to 3 dx, and then we solve for dx. So dx is equal to du divided by 3, and then we rewrite this integral as, so we substitute for 3x plus 1 and dx, which is the square root of u and 1 by 3 du. Right. And then finally we integrate this, integration of u square root. We take 1 by 3 out of the integral because it is constant, du, and this is equal to 1 divided by 3 u power, so the square root is 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 and plus some integration constant, and that is equal to 1 divided by 3 u powered 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus c. So this is equal to 2 divided by 3 u power 3 divided by 2 divided by 3 plus c. And then we substitute back for u, and that becomes 2 divided by 9, 3x plus 1 power 3 by 2 plus c. Okay, so integration 3x plus 1 square root of dx. This is equal to 2 by 9, 3x plus 1 power 3 by 2 plus c.